Then I talk about how to download and install Siemens SIMATIC NET PC software. This software acts as the communication bridge between PLC with the SCADA HMI. It can use PROFIBUS, PROFIBUS, or PC. Okay, you can download from website from here. Okay, you download here. You can download from here. Okay, I download already. So let's start how to install the software. Setup. Install software. English. Next. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next. Yeah, finish. Restart computer now. Yeah, this one configuration you can choose here. Okay, thank you very much.